broccoli, some chicken breast, boneless and skinless, and then I use this Alfredo sauce by Ragu, some fettuccine noodles, and then for seasoning I use parsley flakes, pepper, salt. I also use a garlic. You don't have to, but I put it in there. This pot and put the broccoli in it. Before I put the broccoli in it, I'm gonna cut it because it's too big.
I wonder if I died with tears come to her eyes. But nah, you wouldn't understand. I reached my peak, I can't speak. Call my nigga cheek, tell him that my will is weak. I wonder if I died with tears come to her eyes. But nah, you wouldn't understand. I reached my peak, I can't speak. Call my nigga cheek, tell him that my will is weak.
So rinse off your chicken first and then start cutting it up. So first I go in and cut the fat off.
I wonder if I died with tears come to her eyes. But nah, you wouldn't understand.
So this is how our chicken looks after I cut it up. You just add pepper and salt. And then just mix it up. And I added some more. Now I'm just gonna add the chicken to the pot of olive oil. I'm gonna let it cook. Just use a spatula to like move it around. So while everything is cooking and boiling over here, I'm gonna cut up the garlic. So I'm not gonna use that garlic because the garlic looks weird. So I'm probably just gonna throw some garlic powder. So this is how the chicken should look when it's like done. So now I'm gonna add the ragu sauce.
I wonder if I died with tears come to her eyes. But nah, you wouldn't understand. I reached my peak, I can't speak. Call my nigga cheek.
I'm gonna put the thing on like 4 and like let it sit for a minute before I add the other stuff. So now I'm gonna add some parsley flakes.
I wonder if I died with tears come to her eyes. But nah, you wouldn't understand. I reached my peak.
This is the finished product of my chicken Alfredo. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.